Have you ever wondered why your liver is vital? This remarkable organ functions like a superhero, performing over 500 essential tasks daily to keep you healthy. Acting as your body's protector, the liver meticulously filters out toxins and harmful substances from your bloodstream, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. One of its primary roles is producing bile, a critical element for breaking down dietary fats and facilitating digestion. Furthermore, the liver processes nutrients from the foods we consume, ensuring our body receives the necessary energy it craves. It also serves as a storage facility, holding valuable vitamins and minerals, including iron and vitamin B12, ready for use when we need them. Amazingly, the liver regulates cholesterol levels and balances hormones, maintaining the body's internal harmony. Its contributions extend to supporting the immune system, giving your body a fighting chance against infections. With so many crucial responsibilities, the liver truly deserves recognition as the body's unsung hero. So the next time you savor your favorite meal, take a moment to appreciate the extraordinary work your liver performs to keep you vibrant and active. Prepare to be amazed by the Grand Canyon. This stunning natural wonder, situated in Arizona, captivates visitors with its immense beauty and rich geological history. Spanning over 277 miles, the Grand Canyon features layers of rock that narrate stories from nearly 2 billion years of Earth's past. Walking along the South Rim provides a chance to witness vibrant sunsets that cast shades of red and orange across the sky, creating a picturesque setting perfect for photography. Adventurers craving deeper exploration can join guided hikes that reveal the fascinating formations and ancient fossils embedded in the canyon's walls. But the excitement doesn't end there. Soaring high above in a helicopter offers an exhilarating new perspective, displaying the true grandeur of this majestic landscape. The Colorado River, which carved intricate patterns throughout millions of years, showcases nature's artistry at its finest. Whether you're a nature lover, an adventurer, or a history buff, the Grand Canyon's extraordinary layers and breathtaking views promise to inspire and educate everyone who visits. What stories will you uncover on your journey? You might be surprised by Michael Jackson's friendship. In the dazzling world of pop music, Michael Jackson, known as the King of Pop, shared an unexpected bond with child star Macaulay Culkin, renowned for his unforgettable role in Home Alone. Their friendship blossomed during the 1990s, a time when both were navigating the pressures of fame. Despite their 15-year age gap, they found companionship in their shared experiences, often escaping the spotlight together. Jackson treated Culkin like family, even naming him the godfather of 2 of his children, a profound honor that highlights the depth of their relationship. Their time together included playful outings to amusement parks, where they could relish moments of joy and normalcy, far from the prying eyes of the media. This friendship was more than just a connection between 2 celebrities. It served as a heartfelt reminder that amid the chaos of celebrity life, authentic friendships can flourish. Their bond showcased how love and camaraderie can overcome the barriers of age and fame, revealing the human side of stars often cloaked in glitter and glamour. Hard to believe, but sheep outnumber humans in the Faroe Islands. This enchanting archipelago, which lies between Iceland and Norway, is home to approximately 80,000 sheep, overshadowing its human population of about 50,000. This remarkable sheep-to-person ratio gives the Faroe Islands a unique character, captivating visitors and animal enthusiasts. These fluffy residents roam freely over rugged terrains, basking in the natural beauty characterized by dramatic cliffs and rolling hills. The local Faroes people have integrated sheep into their lifestyle and economy. Sheep farming is a vital tradition here. The soft wool from these sheep is fashioned into warm, durable clothing, while the tender lamb is celebrated as a gourmet delight featured in various traditional dishes. Furthermore, the sheep have become unofficial mascots of the islands, blending seamlessly into the stunning landscapes and enhancing their picturesque charm. When pondering about remote and idyllic places, the Faroe Islands stand out, not just for scenery, but also for the delightful presence of these woolly animals, making every visit an unforgettable experience. Is it really true that a logo can be worth millions? It's an astonishing tale originating in 1971, centered around a graphic design student named Carolyn Davidson. When Phil Knight, co-founder of Nike, sought a fresh logo for his budding athletic shoe company, he found himself in need of something that conveyed speed and movement. Davidson, seizing the opportunity, created the now famous swoosh for a mere $35. Given its monumental significance today, that fee seems remarkably small. As the years went by, the swoosh transcended its original purpose, becoming a global symbol of not only Nike, but the entire realm of sports and achievement. What's even more intriguing is how Davidson's story evolved after her initial commission. To express gratitude for her innovative design, Knight gifted her 500 shares of Nike stock. Initially, those shares were valued at a fraction of a penny. But as Nike soared in popularity, their value surged, eventually reaching an estimated worth of around $1 million. This remarkable journey illustrates how creativity, paired with a visionary idea, can lead to extraordinary success beyond anyone's imagination. Turns out, the truth is that Komodo dragons are remarkable. This fact becomes particularly fascinating when we explore their unique reproductive method known as parthenogenesis. In this process, female Komodo dragons can produce young without any male involvement, showcasing an extraordinary survival adaptation. When a female employs parthenogenesis, she exclusively gives birth to male offspring. This peculiar phenomenon may initially seem bizarre, but it offers a significant advantage in scenarios where locating a mate proves difficult, especially in the isolated habitats of Indonesia, their native home. As the largest living lizard species, reaching lengths of over 10 feet, the Komodo dragon illustrates nature's ingenuity. While parthenogenesis allows for successful reproduction even without genetic diversity, it is often not favored in the long run, as mixing genes typically strengthens populations and enhances resilience against diseases. Still, this remarkable reproduction strategy highlights just how adaptable and resourceful wildlife can be. The incredible female Komodo dragon stands as a testament to the wonders of evolution, showcasing how life finds a way. What other secrets might nature have hidden? Prepare to be amazed by eagles' incredible vision. Eagles possess some of the most powerful eyes in the animal kingdom, allowing them to see for miles. Their eyes are packed with millions of photoreceptors, significantly more than those found in human retinas. This remarkable density enables eagles to spot a rabbit from 3 kilometers away. What sets their vision apart even further is the presence of 2 foci per eye, providing them with exceptional binocular vision while also allowing for expansive side vision. This dual focus lets them track fast-moving prey with astonishing accuracy. Additionally, eagles can see a broader spectrum of light, including ultraviolet, which helps them locate urine trails left by rodents, a sight completely invisible to us. When hunting, eagles soar to impressive heights, scan the terrain carefully, and dive at speeds exceeding 150 kilometers per hour. Their ability to strike with millimeter precision showcases not just their acute vision, but also their dynamic adaptability, enabling instant focus adjustments between distant landscapes and nearby targets. These birds truly don't just fly. They aim with sniper-like accuracy in the sky. Is it really true that drives used to weigh 500 pounds? Back in 1980, IBM revolutionized the data storage industry by introducing the first 1 gigabyte hard drive, weighing an astonishing 500 pounds. This behemoth was not just a feat of engineering, but a monumental leap forward in computing technology. Despite its ludicrous bulk and a staggering price tag of $40,000, equivalent to a mid-range car today, it played a pivotal role in changing how we store and access data. Picture trying to lift something the size of a refrigerator, all to house a mere gigabyte of information. While today's smartphones and flash drives can effortlessly store hundreds of gigabytes and fit snugly in your pocket, that hard drive represented the dawn of a storage revolution. It paved the way for smaller, faster devices that have transformed our daily lives. Each time you upload a photo or stream a movie, think back to that 500-pound hard drive. Its legacy reminds us how far we've come in technology, highlighting the relentless pace of innovation and the dramatic shifts in how we interact with digital information. You won't believe this about Laos and its hidden treasures. Laos holds a remarkable yet sobering title. It's the most bombed country in the world. Between 1964 and 1973, the United States conducted an extraordinary bombing campaign over Laos during the Vietnam War, dropping an estimated 2 million tons of bombs in an effort to disrupt supply lines. This intense military strategy left a lasting impact on the land and its people, creating countless unexploded ordnance, UXO hazards, that still affect communities today. However, Laos is not solely defined by its tumultuous past. Nestled in the heart of Southeast Asia, it boasts the magnificent Mekong River, which winds through verdant landscapes, providing vital resources and sustaining rich ecosystems. The river is a lifeblood for local communities, offering fish and freshwater while fostering a unique cultural tapestry. Moreover, the enchanting Siphan Don Archipelago, home to around 4,000 islands, showcases tranquil lagoons and the rare Irrawaddy dolphin. Today, Laos stands as a testament to resilience and vivid beauty, transforming its history into a narrative of hope and renewal. Here's a wild fact about giraffes and their sleep. Despite their towering height and gentle demeanor, giraffes experience one of the shortest sleep durations in the animal kingdom. They sleep for just 30 to 60 minutes each day, divided into short naps that last between 5 to 10 minutes. This unique sleeping pattern arises from the constant threats they face in the wild. Most of the time, giraffes manage to catch some rest while standing, thanks to a special system of ligaments that locks their legs in place, allowing them to stay upright without straining their muscles. However, when they finally feel safe, they lie down to enter the deeper stages of sleep, known as REM sleep, curling their long necks back in a surprisingly stable position. This strange-looking posture ensures they can remain vigilant against predators even while resting. Scientists speculate that this fragmented sleep pattern evolved as a crucial survival strategy, enabling giraffes to stay alert and escape danger swiftly. Isn't it fascinating how survival instincts can shape the daily habits of such magnificent creatures? Is it really true that chimpanzees communicate like us? Chimpanzees do indeed share a remarkable ability to communicate, utilizing a complex blend of vocal sounds, gestures, facial expressions, and body language. They possess more than 30 distinct vocalizations, each with a specific meaning, ranging from alerting others about nearby food to expressing alarm over potential threats. Interestingly, each group of chimps develops its own unique dialect, a set of sounds and gestures that are culturally transmitted from adults to young ones, resembling how humans learn language. Their gestures are intentional. A hand wave or foot stamp can signify urgency or dominance, while a gentle chest beat might invite another to approach. In research settings, chimpanzees have demonstrated the ability to understand hundreds of human words and symbols, showcasing their potential for abstract communication. These intelligent apes do not merely imitate, they actively adapt, teach their peers, and convey emotions, ideas, and even future plans. Studying the parallels in communication between chimpanzees and humans not only sheds light on the origins of human language, but also enhances our understanding of the evolution of intelligence and social interaction. Here's something incredible about butterfly feet. Butterflies have a fascinating ability that allows them to taste everything simply by landing on it. This unique skill comes from chemoreceptors located on their feet, which can analyze a surface's chemical composition right away. When a butterfly perches on a plant, these tiny sensors spring into action, detecting sugar levels, toxins, and other critical factors to determine if the plant is suitable for laying eggs. For female butterflies, choosing the right leaves is essential. A wrong choice could jeopardize the survival of their caterpillar offspring. These taste sensors do more than just help with egg laying. They also enable butterflies to locate the best nectar sources quickly. By being able to taste with their toes, butterflies save precious time and energy, allowing them to thrive in their environments. It's like having a built-in tasting system that makes each landing count. Instead of wasting energy trying to chew or test everything with their mouths, butterflies have evolved to taste the world effortlessly and efficiently, ensuring their survival and that of their future generations. Can you imagine that lemons float while limes sink? It might surprise you to hear that if you toss a lemon into water, it will bob on the surface. In contrast, a lime will sink right to the bottom without hesitation. The reason for this interesting difference lies in the structure of these two fruits. Lemons possess thicker and more porous rinds, which are filled with tiny air pockets. These air pockets make lemons less dense than water, enabling them to stay afloat and dance on the surface. Limes, on the other hand, have tightly packed, denser skins with fewer air pockets, giving them a greater weight relative to their size. This delightful interplay of buoyancy showcases nature's incredible variety and surprises. Next time you squeeze a lemon into your drink, or incorporate these fruits into your dishes, remember this playful quirk of citrus fruits. Who knew that such common ingredients could possess unique traits? This little lesson in buoyancy serves as a great reminder of the wonders surrounding us in the natural world. Can you imagine that DNA is so tiny? Inside each of our cells lies a crucial structure called the nucleus, where our DNA is neatly coiled. Here's where it gets fascinating. The DNA molecules are packed into spaces less than a micrometer wide. Think about trying to fit a long spaghetti noodle into a tiny jar. Challenging, right? But our DNA isn't just any noodle. It's an intricate chain of genetic instructions that defines us as individuals. To manage this spatial puzzle, DNA coils around proteins known as histones, creating a compact formation referred to as chromatin. This ingenious folding method allows our cells to store an immense amount of genetic information in a decidedly small area, keeping it organized and accessible. When a cell needs to divide or produce a specific protein, the DNA unwinds much like a spool of thread, ready for reading. This remarkable process guarantees that even in its tightly packed state, our genetic material can swiftly spring into action, orchestrating life's complexities and ensuring that the magic of biology unfolds seamlessly. Ever thought about why Saudi Arabia has hidden rivers? This intriguing question leads us to a fascinating feature of the region known as wadis. While Saudi Arabia is widely recognized for its expansive deserts and arid landscapes, it surprisingly lacks permanent rivers. Instead, wadis are dry riverbeds that spring to life during rare, intense rainstorms, transforming a dusty canyon into a rushing stream. This seasonal phenomenon plays a crucial role in the local ecosystem, providing essential moisture to both plants and animals. The size of wadis can range significantly, from narrow channels to wide valleys capable of carrying vast amounts of water. The word wadi itself comes from Arabic, meaning valley or riverbed, highlighting the cultural significance of these features. During the majority of the year, these riverbeds are parched, yet their temporary flooding is a powerful reminder of nature's resilience in an environment that appears unforgiving. Furthermore, wadis often serve as vital gathering spots for wildlife, and farmers ingeniously utilize these seasonal floods to irrigate crops, demonstrating the remarkable adaptability of life in this beautiful desert country. Here's a wild fact about kiwis and their unique lifestyle. Unlike most birds, the kiwi is a nocturnal sleuth, equipped with an extraordinary adaptation that sets it apart. With its nostrils located at the very tip of its long, probing beak, the kiwi can smell its prey, such as insects and worms, before even touching it. These amazing birds inhabit the forest floor under a dense layer of leaf litter, where they expertly use their keen sense of smell and sensitive whisker-like feathers, known as vibrissae, to find food buried up to 10 centimeters underground. While they might struggle with poor eyesight, kiwis thrive in their nighttime environment, blending seamlessly into the shadows. Not only is the kiwi remarkable for its hunting skills, but it also lays one of the largest eggs in proportion to body size. The female kiwi invests significant energy to produce an egg that can weigh up to 20% of her body weight, and both parents share the responsibility of care. Endemic to New Zealand, this unique bird holds a sacred place in Maori culture, serving as a powerful symbol of conservation efforts as it defies typical bird norms and flourishes in its underground world. Turns out, the truth is that ayais hunt with their fingers. In the moonlit forests of Madagascar, the ai, a unique nocturnal primate, has captivated the imagination of explorers and scientists alike. With its bulging eyes, bat-like ears, and shaggy fur, this creature looks like it stepped out of a mythical tale. However, it's the ai's long, skeletal middle finger that truly sets it apart. This extraordinary digit is not just for show. It plays a crucial role in the primate's hunting strategy. By tapping on tree trunks, the ai listens intently to the hollow sounds that signal hidden insect tunnels. Once it identifies a promising spot, it uses its sharp, rodent-like teeth to gnaw through the bark. The ai then inserts its remarkably flexible finger to fish out tasty larvae, like a natural tool designed for the job. Originally feared as a bringer of bad luck, the ai is now celebrated for its remarkable adaptations and is protected as a testament to nature's ingenuity. How fascinating is this blend of myth and biology? Hard to believe, but Madagascar's coral reefs are extraordinary. The coral reefs surrounding Madagascar are not just beautiful. They are vibrant ecosystems teeming with life and mystery. Home to a dazzling array of species, these underwater havens boast colorful corals that serve as vital habitats for countless fish. As you dive into the crystal clear waters, you may spot unique creatures like the endemic Madagascar anemone fish, which makes its home among the protective arms of sea anemones, or the striking blue starfish, whose vivid hue stands out against the reef backdrop. While exploring, you'll be delighted by the soft movements of sea fans swaying gently in the current, creating a mesmerizing underwater spectacle. Whether you are an experienced diver or a novice snorkeler, every moment spent here feels like a dream in a real-life aquarium. Local communities play a crucial role in preserving these irreplaceable ecosystems, ensuring that future generations can continue to experience the magical beauty hidden beneath the waves. Are you ready to explore this aquatic paradise? Prepare to be amazed by, can you believe Alaska's massive size? This incredible state is more than just vast landscapes. It's a giant when it comes to size. Spanning an astounding 6,300 to 300 square miles, Alaska is the largest state in the United States, dwarfing Texas, California, and Montana combined. To put its enormity into perspective, Alaska is larger than all but 18 countries worldwide. Picture driving the length of this immense state. You would encounter towering mountain ranges, lush forests, and expansive tundras, each offering a glimpse of the diverse natural beauty found here. Home to the magnificent Denali National Park, Alaska hosts North America's highest peak, Denali itself, rising majestically to nearly 20,010 feet. The state's wildlife is equally impressive, featuring a rich tapestry of animals including grizzly bears, moose, and the stunning humpback whale. Furthermore, Alaska's rugged coastline stretches over 6,600 miles, showcasing breathtaking fjords, glacier formations, and countless islands just waiting to be explored. So the next time someone brings up Alaska, remember the extraordinary scale and diversity that make it one of the most captivating states. Is it really true that, did you know The Lion King echoes Hamlet? This beloved Disney classic isn't merely a charming story about talking animals. It also pays homage to one of the greatest literary works ever created, Shakespeare's Hamlet. In both tales, we follow a young prince named Simba, who embarks on a heartbreaking quest filled with betrayal and revenge. Just like Hamlet, Simba's journey becomes complicated when his uncle Scar commits the shocking act of murdering his father, King Mufasa, to usurp the throne. This pivotal moment mirrors the tragic elements found in Hamlet, where the young prince struggles to avenge his father's death at the hands of his own uncle. Through these narratives, both characters deal with profound themes of loss, identity, and the heavy responsibilities of leadership, making their stories resonate across generations. While The Lion King dazzles with vibrant colors and unforgettable songs, its roots in Shakespearean drama reveal that even animated tales can impart deep insights about family, loyalty, and the search for justice. Isn't it fascinating how classic literature continues to influence modern storytelling? You won't believe this about the immortal jellyfish. The tiny jellyfish Teratopsis dohrnii has a stunning ability to cheat death by reversing its own aging process. When it reaches adulthood, this fascinating creature can revert its cells to a juvenile state, essentially starting its life over. This extraordinary capability, known as transdifferentiation, allows its specialized cells to transform into stem-like cells, which can then respecialize and rebuild the jellyfish's body. As a result, Teratopsis dohrnii effectively cycles between maturity and youth indefinitely, unless it falls prey to a predator or suffers a fatal injury. This remarkable adaptation isn't just a quirk of marine life. It offers insights crucial for regenerative medicine and the quest for longevity. By studying the jellyfish's unique life cycle, scientists are uncovering the incredible potential of cellular flexibility. This molecular magic hints that nature has long understood principles for regeneration that human science is still striving to decode. What other secrets might be waiting for us in the ocean's depths? This might surprise you. Taiwan is a mountainous paradise. Did you know that nearly 80% of Taiwan is made up of mountains? This remarkable geography not only creates breathtaking vistas, but also presents a plethora of activities all within a single day. Start your morning in the vibrant city of Taipei, where towering skyscrapers kiss the clouds and street vendors offer delightful breakfast options such as scallion pancakes and bubble tea. As you enjoy your drink, take a moment to admire the stunning mountains that frame the city, beckoning adventurers to explore. Just a few hours later, you could find yourself on the sun-drenched beaches of Kenting, reveling in the warm tropical air and the stunning azure waters of the Pacific Ocean. But why stop there? For those craving a thrill, consider a challenge like hiking to the summit of Jade Mountain, the highest peak in Taiwan at 3,952 meters. The panoramic view from the top is nothing short of awe-inspiring, allowing you to appreciate the lush valleys and distant shores that characterize this beautiful island. Taiwan's diverse landscapes create a seamless blend of nature and urban life, giving visitors the ultimate experience of both worlds. Let's uncover the truth about the world's most expensive pizza. In 2007, Scottish chef Domenico Crolla made headlines with his extravagant creation named the Pizza Royal 07. Boasting an eye-watering price of $4,200. Unlike your everyday pizza, this culinary masterpiece is an epitome of luxury. Imagine biting into a slice adorned with edible gold, creating a visual feast that dazzles as much as it delights. The toppings don't stop there. Caviar adds a unique salty richness, while tender lobster introduces a hint of the ocean's freshness. Alongside these lavish ingredients, smoked salmon complements the mix, enticing those who appreciate the finer flavors in life. To further elevate this gastronomic delight, Chef Crolla incorporated champagne-soaked venison, an ingredient that radiates sophistication and elegance. Remarkably, this pricey pizza served a noble purpose. It was auctioned for charity, ensuring all proceeds contributed to a good cause. While most of us may never savor a slice of this luxurious creation, it certainly sparks intriguing discussions about the intersection of gourmet cooking and lavish indulgence. What if I told you Japan never sleeps? This enthralling country, known as the land of the rising sun, truly lives up to its name, thanks to its location to the east of the Asian continent. As the sun rises first over Japan each day, it symbolizes a place full of life and energy. With an extensive area of around 379,987 square kilometers, Japan is comparable to California, yet it hosts over 125 million people, making it the 11th most populous country globally. The blend of the ancient and the modern is a hallmark of Japanese culture, where you'll encounter peaceful temples nestled close to vibrant cityscapes. Every season brings its own beauty, from the stunning cherry blossoms painting the spring landscapes to the picturesque snow-covered mountains in winter. Japan's rich traditions and delectable cuisine invite you to explore a world of flavors, and the resilience of the Japanese people shines bright as they adapt and thrive, even in the face of natural disasters. Whether you're drawn by history, nature, or delicious food, Japan offers a captivating experience for every kind of traveler. Guess what really drives city life in lowlands? That's right. Amsterdam and Baku, the capitals of the Netherlands and Azerbaijan respectively, find themselves below sea level in quite a remarkable way. Amsterdam, with its picturesque canals and stunning historic architecture, is about 2 meters beneath the water's surface. This unusual geography results from centuries of innovative land reclamation, where the Dutch ingeniously drained wetlands and built extensive dikes to keep the waters of the North Sea at bay. Baku, on the other hand, holds the title of the lowest national capital on Earth, sitting around 28 meters below sea level, right along the coast of the Caspian Sea. This vast inland body of water is not only the largest of its kind, but is also known for its rich biodiversity. Both cities exemplify extraordinary human resilience and creativity, showcasing how people can adapt to and thrive in challenging environments. With their innovative engineering, vibrant cultures, and stunning landscapes, it's no wonder that millions of tourists flock to these fascinating cities each year. Can you imagine navigating life in a city literally below the water level? Is it really true that North Korea delayed World Cup broadcasts? During the 2014 World Cup, North Korean viewers faced a unique situation. While the rest of the world enjoyed live matches, they were forced to wait 24 to 36 hours for delayed broadcasts. This intriguing delay was a strategic move by the government intended to control the narrative surrounding the global event. With such censorship, officials aimed to ensure that only the acceptable highlights reached the public, allowing them to edit out any politically sensitive moments. For soccer fans in North Korea, this delay was a bittersweet experience. They yearned to cheer for their favorite teams while watching the excitement unfold on their screens, albeit much later than everyone else. This curious intersection of sports and politics underscores the lengths to which the North Korean regime would go to maintain control over its citizens' perceptions. Despite the challenges, these broadcasts still offered a rare glimpse into the outside world, showcasing how sports can connect individuals even in one of the most isolated countries on the planet. What does this reveal about the power of sports in a controlled society? Did you know that Mount Washington has fierce winds? This seemingly ordinary mountain, standing at just 6,288 feet, is infamous for the intense weather conditions that make it the most dangerous small mountain in the world. The real peril lies not in its height, but in wind speeds that can reach an astonishing 231 miles per hour. Imagine embarking on what appears to be a calm hike, only to find yourself in the middle of a sudden storm, with chilling winds and swirling snow catching you off guard. The mountain's distinct geography plays a crucial role here, channeling winds in a way that creates unpredictable and often hazardous situations. Climbers often experience rapid drops in temperature and drastically reduced visibility, catching many unprepared. Such conditions have tragically claimed the lives of several unsuspecting adventurers. Despite its dangers, Mount Washington draws thrill seekers and nature enthusiasts, all eager to witness its breathtaking views from the summit. Are you ready to take on the challenge and uncover the wonders of this extraordinary mountain? Can you imagine that Diet Coke floats? You might be surprised to learn that a regular can of Coke sinks while its diet counterpart stays buoyant in water. Why does this happen? It all comes down to density, a scientific concept that refers to how heavy something is for its size. Regular Coke is packed with sugar, which adds significant weight, creating a denser solution than water. When the can hits the liquid, gravity pulls it down like a stone. However, Diet Coke uses artificial sweeteners, which are much lighter than sugar. This means that the can of Diet Coke has an overall density that is less than that of water, allowing it to bob and float on the surface. If you've ever tossed a can into a pool or bucket, you can turn this quirky fact into an exciting science experiment. Grab some friends, fill up a container deep enough for floating, and test it out together. This little experiment not only highlights the fascinating principles of density, but also emphasizes how small changes in ingredients can lead to surprising and delightful outcomes in our everyday beverages. Is it really true that mosquitoes have surprising diets? Indeed, their eating habits are quite fascinating. Male mosquitoes sip nectar, enjoying a diet akin to that of butterflies, while female mosquitoes have a more sinister requirement. To nurture their eggs, females seek out blood, which provides essential nutrients. This is why you often see them hovering around at dusk, eager to take a tiny meal from a host like you. Interestingly, mosquitoes aren't just nuisances, they can even play a role in crime solving. In a remarkable incident in Finland, police found a mosquito trapped in a stolen car. By analyzing the blood within the insect, they pieced together DNA evidence that led them directly to the car thief. This clever twist emphasizes how even the smallest creatures can contribute to significant investigations. So, the next time you swat at a mosquito, think twice. These little beings have their own unique diets and might just play a part in a thrilling story or a real-life mystery. Have you ever wondered why could rogue planets hold the key to cosmic mysteries? These fascinating celestial bodies wander the universe untethered to any star. Known as rogue planets, they have been ejected from their original star systems due to gravitational interactions or collisions, allowing them to drift freely through the cosmos. Some rogue planets resemble the gas giants like Jupiter, while others may appear Earth-like, despite lacking a warm sun to support life. Spotting these elusive wanderers is quite challenging since they do not emit light like stars, often remaining hidden in the darkest corners of space. Scientists initially proposed their existence through the phenomenon of gravitational lensing, where a massive object's gravity distorts the light from stars behind it, creating a cosmic lens effect. When rogue planets happen to cross in front of these distant stars, they can briefly reveal themselves as points of light. This intriguing discovery not only highlights the diversity of planetary systems, but also sparks curiosity about whether these lonely planets might harbor life. After all, the universe is vast and full of surprises. You won't believe this about our giant salamanders, the ocean's gentle giants. The Chinese giant salamander holds the title of the largest amphibian on the planet, and it's truly a sight to behold. These remarkable creatures can reach lengths of up to 1.8 meters, surpassing many small cars. Picture this: a giant salamander gliding gracefully through freshwater streams or lurking in the cool shadows of a dark cave. Fascinatingly, these amphibians have been around for millions of years, making them ancient survivors that can live over 50 years, often outlasting several human generations. However, despite their impressive lifespan and size, the Chinese giant salamander is in peril. Habitat destruction, pollution, and illegal hunting have drastically reduced their numbers, pushing them toward extinction. Their unique features, such as wrinkly, baggy skin and feathery gills, are captivating yet contribute to their vulnerability. Conservation groups worldwide are stepping up efforts to protect these enchanting creatures and their ecosystems. By raising awareness and mobilizing resources, they aim to ensure future generations can marvel at the wonders of the Chinese giant salamander. You might be shocked to learn that Europa holds secrets. Jupiter's moon. Europa is a captivating world that intrigues scientists and space enthusiasts. Beneath its thick layer of ice lies a hidden ocean, potentially containing more than twice the volume of water found on Earth. This massive subsurface ocean remains warm due to Jupiter's gravitational forces, creating a dynamic environment where conditions might be suitable for life. With its salty, nutrient-rich waters, Europa has emerged as a leading candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. NASA's upcoming Europa Clipper mission is set to investigate this intriguing moon, aiming to study its icy shell and analyze the plume jets that propel water vapor into space. These jets provide valuable samples that can reveal information about the ocean hiding beneath the surface. If microbial life exists in this alien ocean, it could reshape our understanding of life beyond our planet. Imagine robotic explorers delving into these depths, transforming our perspective on the cosmos. Europa is not just an ice-covered moon. It may be a treasure trove of biological mysteries waiting for discovery. Turns out, the truth is that Kiwis love ice cream. Did you know that New Zealand is the reigning champion of ice cream consumption? According to the International Dairy Association, Kiwis devour more ice cream per person than anyone else in the world. This delicious treat doesn't just cool them down, it plays a vital role in their culture, showcasing a delightful array of flavors inspired by the unique local ingredients. While the United States comes in second with its own passion for frozen desserts, the Kiwis' commitment to high-quality dairy products makes their ice cream truly special. Many local dairy farms supply fresh, rich milk that leads to incredibly creamy ice cream. Picture yourself enjoying a classic vanilla scoop or daring to try extraordinary flavors like fei shoa or hokey pokey. Each bite reflects the creative spirit of New Zealand. Ice cream is not merely a treat, it's a social experience, often accompanying celebrations, family gatherings, and cherished traditions. So, the next time you indulge in a cone or a sundae, remember that you're part of a worldwide love affair with this sweet delight.